Hi there. Today our video is about sheet metal. Yeah, because somebody have asked me about it last week. He was very high, and I probably say you're lucky. He's lucky. I got a job, but he needs this library because he's not really. Okay, so I have done it quickly because I need the help. No, it's why normally this week I put online the video about the matrix. I'm going to put it next week. Yeah, I think next week. It's really very nice course. Matrix about from the beginning to emission, Jacobian with MATLAB, with the project, and so on. No? The robotic, no? Degree of freedoms, no, it's matrix, Jacobians. Well, this course, for example, I made it, it's professional course. This course I have given it for the companies before. So it's full. You have all what you need to know with the sheet metal library, from folding corners, forming tools, how we create it, how you save it in the library, like as a personal tools, how you use tools with the library, and all what you need. Sorry, how you create sketch folder. It's very interesting. It's all what you need now to in this library to work as a professional. So it's professional video, I think. Yeah, I have it for company I say that. And after that, for the same person you have called me after next week. I gonna maybe in 4 or 5 days max, I think, or 6 maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe I put online also the the structure library. It's very interesting. I have never done it before, but it's very interesting. Very, very interesting. You can work everywhere. In aerospace, in industry, it's structure, no? Yeah, it's interesting. But also, this video, he is professional. I give you all what you need now. Well, now with Mr. Gary. Gary is one of my students. He followed me from the beginning. Very nice. It's interesting. He loves this profession. He said something else because now with the recruiters, you don't have a chance to get a job. So, and he said the comportment for some recruiters in the interviews. No. What you say? I'm gonna tell you something very important in life, not in all in life. So I know what your situation. You think this job is job for scientist. Job is for you're gonna meet only smart people. Smart, it means open. Yeah, it means I don't know, good person. Not at all. Not at all. This is profession as any kind of profession. Always I talk about experience where I live it. No, so I don't give you like that theoretical. No, it's like experience. So in this job, you have all kinds of people. I have meet recruiters, very nice people, very professional, very open, very helpful, and I meet someone also. Very, I hope you never meet it. No, it's really it's like in a job. No, I have met recruiters. No, the question because you know something. I give you an example. No, you think okay, I am a mechanical designer, engineer, but I haven't job work, so I don't have experience. So what? But I tell you something. With what we have studied at the university and with my courses, you can work everywhere. Why? Sometimes I can explain you something. Maybe I shouldn't tell you, but I'm gonna tell you because I want to be honest with you. I am always honest with you. Okay, it's like that. I am honest with everybody. Okay. So, for example, you send your CV for company, automotive company. So, okay, you start with a question, very technical for automotive, and you say, maybe you haven't given me a job because I don't have, hey, wait a moment. You are a mechanical designer, so you can use your knowledge for any kind of industry. So, but in any kind of job, without exception, they should give you some time to adapt your knowledge to the role. So if they don't give you the job, it means they don't want, not because you are not qualified. Okay, so never mind, I'm not qualified, so I don't have probably a job. No. Who wanna give you the job, he should give you some time to adapt your knowledge to the role. No, it's okay. So never mind that. Never go down. I know. Recruiters, you have professional, not professional. You have someone, so you don't have nothing to do in the profession they are here. Okay, so you should accept it. No, it's life. In life, not is always black or white. No, we have everything in life. So imagine me with my more than 20 years experience. They ask me about if my wife work, my house is mine or I have rented. If I have account out of UK, really is crazy. It's crazy. Maybe people with them talking about it, I have more experience than their age. How old are you? 23. I have 25 years experience. So when you have started a job, you are not born. What you are talking about it? So it's only tell you about. Don't worry about that. What you should do is never forget your profession. All the time, you update your knowledge. You read what. You should be all the time in contact with the profession, because nowadays it is complicated, too much knowledge, and if you don't practice 2, 3, 4, 6 months, well, you are finished. You should restart from the beginning. It's very complicated. Okay, so you should start all the time in a relation with your profession. And the recruiters, they're gonna give you a chance one day, because I believe me, I have met some recruiters very professional, and they're happy to meet me. But someone's, I don't know. I hope you don't meet like me. Me, so thankfully I have my company and I work. It's okay, but I have leave as you. It's normal, so don't worry about that. So one day they're gonna give you a chance. The most important, you should be prepared for that. Don't lose your chance. Okay, it's like that. So I hope you enjoyed this course, and as I told you before, next in five maybe 6 years. I don't remember. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe 6 days. I'm not sure. You have a structure course. It's very interesting. It really is very interesting. I have never seen it before, and I have never done it. But now I'm gonna do it. It's structured course, and after that, exactly after that, I give you a matrix from the beginning. It means from first year of the university to 4. You have 4 years. You have algebra, matrix. What is matrix? Multiplication, operation, kind of matrix, Jacobian emission. We have MATLAB. We have. I'm gonna give you a classical project. It's ARM for the robot. Yes, we resolve it with Jacobians. It's very classical. But you should know what you do with your mathematical. So mathematics is good, but you should know what you do with it. It's the most important in this life. Okay. So again, enjoy your course. Okay, let's start now our video about sheet metal. Okay, I open a part. I want this edge point. Which one? 50, for example. Escape. I leave this one. And same here. I do same here. 160. And here I put performance, but it is more expensive, no performance. So now if I click OK, why? It's better. But for example, when you speak about okay, now I started here, but I can move it. I can change it. Now I click here. I double click here. Now, for example, my slot. I'm not interested